Good afternoon, it's July 18th. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. I just wanted a quick update on the thunderstorms. We look at visible satellite and we had a complex of storms over Illinois and Indiana overnight, and it's left what we call an outflow boundary. And you can see it right here, this bright white line of clouds. As this line of clouds moves through your area, it's cooling the upper levels, and we're seeing thunderstorms develop right along and behind it. Now, there's some question about how far west, southwest this will move. I'll put this in motion. You can see it coming out of earlier this morning, and you watch it right here, moving south, moving southeast, moving southwest. And then another area of storms is coming in from the northwest along another boundary. So that means we should see an increasing chance for showers and thunderstorms, especially over South Illinois into northwest Kentucky, perhaps towards Bowling Green. Areas southwest of there, a little less confidence on how much thunderstorm coverage we'll have this afternoon, especially as you get over further southwest towards Poplar Bluff. Further northeast you go in the area, the better chance for thunderstorms. Now it's about 11:45 in the afternoon. 11:30, 11:45. We are seeing on National Weather Service Paducah radar, you see this area of showers and storms over central Illinois, another severe thunderstorm forming northwest of St. Louis, and then we see this band of storms along what I showed you earlier, that outflow boundary. As the outflow boundary moves south and southwest, storms are developing. So the best chance of storms this afternoon will probably be somewhere over this area here, our eastern, northeastern counties. Lesser chances, not saying it won't rain, lesser chances over southeast Missouri, northwest Tennessee. We'll just have to see how far west this complex or this outflow boundary moves. I'm not overly confident. I'm more confident the further northeast you go. And then we'll also have to watch if some storms continue to form up here. They would actually move more southeast. And any storms that form today could be quite intense. The instability in the atmosphere, we've already got 4,000, 4,500 CAPE numbers. That's a lot of CAPE. Let me put this in motion. You can see this complex of storms as it came out of Indiana earlier today. You see it moving into Kentucky with new storms forming along it. Now, one thing I want to point out is as it moved into southeast Illinois, it's struggling to move further south and west. It's having better, it's doing better with moving south over south central northern Kentucky. And so you can see that there as that line is developing across much of the state of Kentucky. But our local counties, it's definitely struggling to move southwest. We'll see how it goes. Look up here to the north, northwest, and you see another complex of storms trying to form over parts of east central Missouri. We had these storms move through central Illinois. Sort of a mess today. We do have a frontal boundary to our north. So for the rest of this afternoon, a chance of thunderstorms. Any storms that form heavy, frequent lightning, and we do have a lot of CAPE. That's a lot of energy, so I would not be surprised if storms do form and move in. Some damaging wind reports, probably isolated, but a few spots have 50, 60 mile per hour wind gusts with storms reaching tops of 50,000 feet. That's quite a bit of energy inside of them. And it's not uncommon in July to have downburst winds associated with torrential downpours. You can get isolated pockets of damaging winds.